QR codes can help you deliver a smarter, smoother experience for your members, from check-ins to training plans. Want to direct people to your homepage, class schedule, or sign-up page? Use the website QR to link directly to your gym's website or booking platform. Share workout routines, nutrition guides, or class timetables. Use a file QR code to let members instantly download PDFs or documents. Stick them on machines or in locker rooms for easy access to digital content. Want to showcase everything in one place? Use the landing page QR to build a custom mobile page with trainer bios, embedded workout videos, and more. No coding required. Perfect for new member onboarding or promos. Got a fitness app or booking system? Use the App Store QR to link users directly to your gym's app on the Apple App Store or Google Play. It detects the user's device and takes them to the right place instantly. Want to grow your fitness community online? Use the social media QR to share all your platforms, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and more, in one neat mobile page. From class schedules to community building, QR Code Kit gives your gym the tools to connect, promote, and engage, all with a simple scan.